Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard, a bike that perfectly blends classic cruiser styling with modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into the world of Harley-Davidson, this motorcycle offers a raw and authentic riding experience that truly stands out. The 2025 Softail Standard is powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 107 engine, delivering that iconic V-twin rumble and smooth power delivery. With 1,746 cc of displacement, this engine produces strong torque, making it an absolute joy to ride in both city streets and open highways. The throttle response is crisp, and the 6-speed transmission ensures a refined yet thrilling ride. One of the highlights of the Softail Standard is its minimalist design. It's built on the Softail chassis, which provides a rigid frame appearance while incorporating modern suspension technology for a comfortable and responsive ride. The rear mono-shock suspension is hidden, giving the bike a classic hardtail look while offering excellent ride quality and handling. Aesthetically, the Softail Standard stays true to Harley's heritage. It features a stripped-down, blacked-out look with chrome accents, making it a perfect blank canvas for customization. Whether you want to add ape hangers, a custom exhaust, or saddlebags for longer rides, this bike is ready for personalization. The solo seat keeps things simple, reinforcing its raw and aggressive styling. When it comes to handling, the Softail Standard offers a balanced ride. Its lightweight design compared to some larger Harleys makes it nimble, while the wide handlebars provide good control. The front suspension with Showa dual bending valve forks ensures a smooth and controlled ride over bumps and rough roads. For braking, the 2025 Softail Standard is equipped with a single-disc front brake and a rear disc brake, offering solid stopping power. While some riders may prefer dual-disc front brakes, the bike's overall weight and design ensure that braking performance is more than adequate for most situations. ABS is available, providing additional safety for those who want extra confidence on the road. In terms of technology, Harley-Davidson keeps things simple on this model. The analog speedometer with a small digital display gives you essential ride information without unnecessary distractions. It's a bike that encourages you to focus on the ride rather than gadgets. Fuel efficiency is always a concern for riders, and the Softail Standard does well in this department. With its 3.5-gallon fuel tank, you can expect a decent range, making it suitable for both short commutes and weekend cruising. Overall, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard is a fantastic option for riders looking for a pure, unfiltered Harley experience. It's perfect for those who appreciate a classic, no-frills cruiser that delivers excellent performance, a comfortable ride, and plenty of room for customization. If you're a fan of Harley-Davidson's old-school charm with a modern twist, this bike is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Softail Standard. Would you ride one? And if you already own one, share your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.